Hello learners, welcome to Learner's Galaxy. In this series, we will unlock Excel's potential for data analysis. So today's topics are Excel interface, workbooks and worksheet, navigation and cell referencing. So let's get started. So first, let's open the Excel. Once you will open it, you will find grids of rows and columns. And this intersection of grid and rows is called a cell. Now we will see workbooks and worksheets. So this whole interface is known as workbook, and there are multiple worksheets which we can add and remove like I'm doing below. A workbook can contain multiple worksheets. Think it as like that a workbook is a book and the sheets it contains is pages. You can add, rename and delete worksheets here at bottom. Just right click on the sheet tab and you will see the options. Now let's navigate through worksheets. Each cell has an address based on its column letter and row number. If you see here, you can find on which cell you are working on. You can change the name as well. Now let's talk about cell referencing. Let's click on any cell and let's put something here. You will see whatever we are writing, it's showing here in this cell. And now if I want to do same thing in some other cell, I just have to put an equal to and give a cell referencing and just enter. So this is known as cell referencing. We can also use this to do calculations, which we will cover in upcoming videos. I hope you found the video both informative and easy to understand. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.